Earth has given us so much. So help us give it something in return. Stand up and make a change for the Earth.
Local kids like these who live on Phillip Island did just that by heading down to the world-famous Summerlands Beach. Why is it famous? It's where thousands of tiny fairy penguins come ashore each night at sunset, trudge up to the beach to their burrows to feed their chicks, and to mate when it's mating season. As you can see, they are insanely cute. They're the world's smallest penguin.
We love the penguins. How about you? The world is too hot and the penguins are stressed. We need more trees to cool the world.
Trees can help by removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. 2,629 kids from 33 nations drew what they love most about trees as a way to cool the earth, and we made a giant banner of it, which we're touring around the world with.
We need to fix climate change for the penguin.
Kids sent an SOS to the world to remind us to keep the trees we have and plant more to help cool the earth.
Climate change threatens the world and we all have ways to fix it, so we need to work hard and help the trees and penguins.
Huge thanks to Phillip Island Nature Parks for inviting the Kids Care About Climate Change giant banners to the Penguin Parade.